Hi, I am Pragmatic, the kangaroo. We will now see a simple recipe for the 16th week of pregnancy in this video. In the 16th week, it is important to take foods that are rich iron and probiotics. Iron is the building block of hemoglobin, a protein in red blood cells responsible for carrying oxygen throughout your body. Probiotics, often referred to as good bacteria, are like nurturing caretakers for your gut health. Chocolate Shrikhand. Ingredients: hung curd, 250 grams, dark chocolate, 25 grams, milk, 2 teaspoons, choco chip, 2 teaspoons, grated almond and cashew nuts, 2 teaspoons, cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon. Chocolate Shrikhand. For the 16th week, let us see how to make this dessert. First, take a bowl, add dark chocolate and milk, microwave or by double boiling method. Melt the chocolate, then, in a large bowl, add hung curd, melted chocolate and mix well, till it becomes smooth and creamy. Now add choco chip and cardamom powder, mix well, transfer into a serving bowl and garnish with nuts. Now, it's up to you. Would you like to dive right into this blissful dessert, or would you prefer to chill it a bit before serving? Chocolate Shrikhand, a delightful dessert that not only satisfies your taste buds, but also offer a world of nourishment for you and your precious little one. And then, hope you liked the 16th week pregnancy recipe video from Pragmatic. Pragmatic, nurturing pregnancy and beyond.